Most top 10 richest actors in India. Most high paid actors in India are very successful and famous their charismatic acting skills, including movie charges. These actors earn from brand endorsements, private events, and personal business activities also. Considering many Bollywood reports, these are the top 10 richest actors in India. Number 10, Midhun Chakravarti. His net worth Indian currency 301 crores, in American currency $43 million. He has many years of expertise in the industry and is a seasoned actor in Hindi cinema. He is actor in 1976 and won his first National Film Award as the best actor in the movie of Mrugaya. He is a skilled dancer and have a international fans. He also successful film director also. He has a producer come songwriter and producer and writer. He owns Mercedes, Volkswagen and Ford Endeavors, Toyota Fortuners and Eichers. He also well-known businessman and politicians. He endorses number of brands such as Panasonic, GoDaddy and many others. For a single Indian film, he charges 11 crores to 15 crores in 2020. Number 9, Irfan Khan. His present net worth in 2020 301 crores in Indian currency. He is the most talented actor and in 2011 he won the Padma Shri award also. He also appeared in several international films. Edit. Unfortunately, day of 29th April 2020, this talented actor left us too soon and we will missing him a lot, especially Bollywood film industry. Number 8, Dharmendra. Dharmendra, his present net worth in 2020 490 crores. He was born in 1935. He boasts the nickname He-Man and the Acting King. Many action films performed in. He is a film producer and plus politician also. He was a member of parliament and worked as a BJP. His second wife, beautiful Bollywood actress Hema Malini, and son of first wife Sunny Deol. In 2012, Indian government award Padma Bhushan, which is the third highest civilian award. Number 7, Saif Ali Khan. His net worth in present Indian currency 1120 crores. He is an actor, producer. He got many awards also, like National Film Award, 6 Filmfares and Padma Shri Award. For his contributes Bollywood films, he charges 6 to 10 crores for each movie and 3 to 4 crores for each ad campaign. He is the brand ambassador for well-known companies such as Lays, Asian Paints, Ponds and Amul. Khan likes to indulge in luxuries, accessories as a prince. Saif's young daughter Sara Ali Khan is now one of the top actresses in Bollywood. Number 6, Amir Khan. Amir Khan's net worth in present 2020 1435 crores in Indian currency. He is also a director and producer. He has 30 years film career in Hindi movies. He has broad international fan followers track record, especially in China. Apart from being as one of the highest paid actors in Bollywood, his big charges for endorsements which Coca-Cola, Godrej, Titan watches, Tata Sky, Toyota, Innova, Snapdeal, Samsung, now Vivo and Monaco biscuits. Number 5, Akshay Kumar. His present net worth in Indian currency 1911 crores in 2020. He's starring in lots of hundreds of movies and 29 plus blockbusters movies. His movies churn out the box office frequently. He is most followed in Instagram account with around 30.3 million followers. He charges every movie 40 crores. He also supported Honda Motorcycles, LG Electronics, Manappuram Gold Loans, Thumbs Up Pepsi, Micromax Mobile, Red Label Tea and Relaxo Footwear. His bungalow and Arjuna Beach in Goa. He also owns a luxurious apartment in Worli in Mumbai. Number 4, Salman Khan. His net worth in Indian currency in 2020 2170 crores. There will be no richest actors in India list without boy of Bollywood. The motion he got is because of his generosity, aggressive nature and of course his muscular body. Salman charges roughly and whopping 60 crores for each film. He is not an actor, successful producer and occasional singer and TV personality. Khan won many prizes and 2 National Film Awards as film producer also. Number Top three Hrithik Roshan. His present net worth in Indian currency 2,600 crores. He is highest taxpayer also. He is super dancer and highly talented actor. He is one of the most handsome men in the world, let alone Bollywood. He born in wealthy and well-known family. He endorsed many brands: Coca-Cola, Mountain Dew, Oppo Mobile, Tata Tigro, and Macroman, Donier, Nirma, etc. He owns many luxurious watches and costliest Rolls Royce than anyone in Bollywood. Top 2 Amitabh Bachchan. His net worth in Indian currency in 2020 2,800 crores. He is most respected actor in Indian film industry. He began to act in 1970s, in which he suddenly accomplished huge popularity. His son Abhishek Bachchan owns the Indian Super League team Chennai in FC Meridian Schools. Have recently developed their first foreign investment in cloud-based content distribution platform Jiddu.com. In 2019, he received the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for the Best Actor. Number one, top one, Shah Rukh Khan. He is my favorite hero forever in Bollywood. Shah Rukh Khan is regarded as Bollywood's king and also the richest actor in India in 2020 with a stunning total net worth of $600 million. Born in New Delhi, India in November 1965, he is 54 years old at this moment. He is the co-owner of the Indian Premier League cricket team, Kolkata Knight Riders, and also Tribeca Knight Riders, the Caribbean's premier league team. Khan has supported major brands like Pepsi, Nokia, Hyundai, Dish TV, Decor, Lux, and other big brands. He charges about 3.5 to 4 crores a day for acting or appearing in commercials. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. This type of videos, please do subscribe my channel and like, share, comment.